Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I am here in the studio with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
Hello.
Hi. John.
Yes.
Finally.
It's here.
Spring is in the air.
Yes.
And while we're all excited about that, what does that mean for you and your team?
It means we get real busy.
Okay.
Okay. Not that we haven't been already, because we've been booked all winter long. But this is the time of year that everybody kind of goes, oh, and they start to panic. And oh my gosh, the sump pump, which hasn't had to run for 3 months, all of a sudden needs to kick on and doesn't. Check it. Go downstairs, look at the house, look at the way the downspouts are going. Are they getting away? The rain is here, the snow's melting, I mean, the ground's saturated. This is the time that we get nuts. And we get these phone calls that everybody wants us to stop what we're doing and take care of them. You can take care of yourself in a lot of situations.
So what is it? An ounce of prevention is worth a
pound of cure. Sometimes 10 pounds of cure, yes.
Yeah. So take a few minutes now, go down,
check things out. Yeah. And if you have a question, call us. We may be able to help you over the phone, or we can stop out and see you.
Okay, I'm curious. So in the recent past, you know, I'm hearing my sump pump running a lot. You know, we're getting moisture. And how do I know when it's time to replace it? It's running. I've not had issues. How do you know when the time has come and it could be close?
The common sense one that I use, 7 years, I buy a new sump pump whether you need it or not. If it's running a whole lot, I might shorten that to 5 years.
Okay.
Okay. Sump pumps are not an expensive item, but they do a real important job.
Okay.
So
great
sure
advice, as usual. Thanks, John. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.